Hello, dear Baltasar. I hope you are well. Your dad and me are in Rome, Italy. We are taking a tour of the Coliseum. There is a huge bronze statue, the Colossus of Nero. It is a huge oval of stone. It is 6 meters deep to the center sign. We are lying because dear people dresses as gladiators. Can you believe that your father dressed as emperor for a photograph? I will do it too. Baltasar, today it is very hot and dry. We wear t-shirt and short and of course sneakers. Your dad as always is wearing t-shirt of the U of Chile. I like that near the Coliseum is the Arc Constantine. In front of the entrance of Coliseum, there is the Venire in Roma square, and 1 block away is the Roman Forum on Via Sacra Street. This was the main street of ancient Rome. Behind the Coliseum is the Bohemian neighborhood. We will have dinner here. I don't like that food is expensive. That is all for now. See you soon. I love you so much.